What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Pop Mart app not working. So if Pop Mart app is not working for you, there are a few things here that you may want to check. Now, first things first is you want to guarantee that you have a pretty stable internet connection. Now, if you have a slow internet connectivity or your internet is just really slow, well, in this case, that's the problem. So you may want to switch over to a different Wi-Fi connection and see if that actually helps, or you may want to switch over to using your mobile data, or vice versa. If you're using your mobile data, use your Wi-Fi connection and see if you can now access the app itself. Because in order for you to use the app, you need a pretty stable internet connection, especially if you're competing with a lot of other people out there also using the Pop Mart app. Now, if that doesn't work for you, the problem itself might be the app. So first things first is you want to clear the cache for Pop Mart. So you want to look for Pop Mart here. Press and hold on it. And by the way, press and hold on it. Do not move, just press and hold. Click on the eye icon next to the trash can icon here. And you want to go and click on the clear data at the bottom right and click on clear cache and OK. Now what it usually does here, it just clears like temporary files or cache files in your app here, and usually that would basically help clear out any glitches. Now also, if that doesn't work, you may want to open up Google Play Store here, and you want to go ahead and basically access the following. So you want to go ahead and just choose Pop Mart. You want to go and just look for Pop Mart here, and if you do see any update button here, you want to go and click on update and just wait for the update to complete. Now, to be speaking, the glitches may appear, especially if you do not have the latest version of the app, so make sure to update that. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, there might be some problems with your server, so I would recommend you to access Pop Mart via your browser instead. So instead of using the actual app, you may want to open up any browser here, go to popmart.com and access or buy something via that way. So the downside here for Pop Mart here is a lot of people are using it and it's going to lag a lot. So since a lot of people are using it, it's going to lag a lot. So that's why I would recommend you to use the website version if you're having problems with the mobile app. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.